Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to show you how you can creating a floating object in CapCut PC. So all you have to do is open your projects that you want to edit. So this one, for example, I took from a stock material for practicing. You can do it for free. This is the library. I took this cloud and then import the file that you want to add. For example, this UFO. You can add overlay here and try to adjust. You can remove background, but we can do it later. Here you can click on this overlay and add effects. You can search pendulum, then you can play pendulum here. So this one, or even you can shake it. You can try to play this one, and if you try to use this pendulum effect here, this whole layer or whole projects is become pendulum. But we can undo. Try to drag the effect into layer, the UFO layer here. So the only UFO that float, not hold the video. So feel free to try. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to comment, like, and subscribe, and also click this button below. See you in the next video.